Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night completely exhausted but unable to drift off to sleep? It's a feeling so many of us know all too well. The room is quiet, the world outside is still, but your mind just won't settle down. Thoughts race through your head, replaying the day's events, worrying about tomorrow's endless to-do list, or even reliving old conversations you wish had gone differently. It's as if your brain refuses to turn off, no matter how tired your body feels. The world outside never seems to stop, and sometimes neither does your mind. The ticking clock only makes you more aware of every passing minute, adding to the pressure to fall asleep. It's no wonder that, for so many of us, sleep can feel almost impossible to achieve. Frustration builds, and the harder you try, the more elusive rest becomes. But what if the solution isn't as complicated as we think? What if there's a gentle, simple answer waiting for us? Imagine guiding yourself softly into rest instead of forcing sleep. It's about creating a space and a moment that welcomes relaxation rather than chasing it. The real secret? A bedtime routine. Not a strict schedule, but a comforting ritual that signals to your mind and body that it's time to let go and unwind. This isn't about perfection or rigid rules. It's about finding small, calming actions that help you transition from the chaos of the day to the peace of the night. These moments of self-care aren't just a luxury, they're essential for your well-being. They help you reclaim your nights and restore your energy. With just a few simple, soothing actions, you can transform your nights from restless and anxious to truly restorative and peaceful. Remember, you have the power to change your relationship with sleep. It's within your reach, one small step at a time. It all begins with a single intentional step. Let's explore together how you can make restful sleep a reality starting tonight. We know kids need bedtime routines, but adults need them too, maybe even more. A routine is your signal that the day is done and rest can begin. Try a warm bath to relax your muscles and calm your mind. Read a real book. No screens, just the comfort of turning pages and escaping into a story. Gentle stretching or light yoga can release tension and help you unwind. Focus on pleasure and relaxation, not productivity. These small rituals create a bridge from the chaos of the day to the peace of night. Make this time sacred, just for you. The biggest sleep disruptor in our modern lives? Screens. They're everywhere. Phones, tablets, TVs, constantly demanding our attention, even when we're winding down for the night. These glowing devices keep your brain wired and alert, making it much harder to relax and prepare for sleep. Even a quick scroll or a short video can reset your internal clock. The blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. This confusion can leave you tossing and turning, unable to drift off. That's why it's so important to commit to putting screens away at least an hour before bed. Treat this as a non-negotiable part of your nightly routine. Think of this hour as your digital sunset, a gentle transition that lets your mind and body naturally wind down, free from the constant stimulation of technology. Fill this time with calming activities that help you relax and signal to your body that it's time to rest. Read a few pages of a book, take a warm bath, stretch gently, listen to soft music, or jot down your thoughts in a journal. These rituals can become soothing anchors at the end of your day. By replacing screen time with these peaceful rituals, you nurture both your mind and body, creating a sanctuary for rest. Remember, it's not just about avoiding blue light, it's about making a conscious choice to prioritize true rest and self-care at the end of each day. Give your brain the space it needs to slow down, process the day, and prepare for deep, restorative sleep. When you unplug and embrace these habits, you'll find yourself falling asleep more easily, sleeping more deeply, and waking up truly recharged. Even after unplugging from your devices and turning off the lights, your mind may still race with thoughts from the day. It's common to feel restless, replaying conversations, worries, or tomorrow's to-do list as you try to fall asleep. In our fast-paced world, finding true stillness can feel almost impossible. This is where mindfulness comes in, a gentle practice that helps you anchor yourself in the present, even when your mind feels busy or overwhelmed. Mindfulness is simply paying attention to the present moment, no judgment, just awareness. It's about noticing your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them, allowing them to pass by like clouds in the sky. Try a simple breathing exercise. Lie in bed, close your eyes, and notice your breath moving in and out. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as you inhale, and the warmth as you exhale. When your mind wanders, as it naturally will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. There's no need to judge yourself. Just return to the present again and again. Or do a body scan. Focus on each part of your body, relaxing as you go from your toes to the top of your head. Notice any tension and let it melt away, part by part. Guided meditations can help too. Many apps offer sleep-focused sessions that gently lead you into relaxation, making it easier to let go of the day's stress. The goal is to quiet the mental chatter and create a sense of inner stillness, even if just for a few moments. Over time, these moments add up, helping you feel calmer and more at peace. With regular practice, you may find that sleep comes more naturally, and your nights become more restful and restorative. Let your mind settle, trust the process, and allow sleep to gently arrive, bringing you the rest you deserve. The secret to better sleep isn't a secret. It's a loving invitation to care for yourself each night. Start small. Put your phone away early, read a chapter, or try 5 minutes of mindful breathing. Consistency matters more than perfection. Build your routine step by step. Be patient. Some nights will be harder than others, and that's okay. Every calming choice is a vote for your well-being. You deserve restful nights and energized mornings. Tonight, take that first step. Discover what helps you unwind and make it your own. Sweet dreams. Your journey to better sleep begins now. Thank you for joining us, and we welcome you to subscribe to our Inner Purpose Therapy channel and community for more tips to a better night's sleep. Until then, good night.